Hi everyone, I'm Alina, and guess what I'm doing in this beautiful place? I'm crocheting my 6th clutch bag. At this point, I think I've learned a thing or two about making this bag look its absolute best. So today, I'd like to share 5 tips that I genuinely believe can help you crochet your perfect clutch bag. And if you haven't watched the full tutorial yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. It's a detailed step-by-step guide where I show the entire process from start to finish. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Find your perfect hook size. The tutorial recommends a 6mm hook, but after making several bags, I personally use 7mm almost every time. I crochet tightly, and 7mm gives me the perfect balance between comfort and stitch definition. Don't be afraid to experiment. Your perfect size might be 6, 7, or even 9mm. The goal is comfort in your hands and a fabric you love. Tip 2. Use the waistcoat stitch. Yes, regular single crochet is easier, but the waistcoat stitch gives this bag something special. A clean, polished texture that holds its shape beautifully without being stiff or heavy. For this clutch, it's the perfect combination of beauty and durability. Tip 3. Pay attention to your tension. If I could give you only one tip, this would be it. Tension matters more than your yarn, more than your hook, sometimes even more than the pattern itself. Watch how I work. I keep the loop on my hook very small, but when I pull up a new loop, I let it relax slightly before completing the stitch. This creates even, smooth fabric. With practice, it becomes automatic. Tip 4. Always use a seamless join. This is one of those details nobody notices when it's done right, but everyone notices when it's not. No visible step-ups, no turning chains, no seam running down the side of your bag. I show my favorite method in the full tutorial, and I'm also planning a separate video dedicated entirely to seamless joins, because this topic deserves it. Tip 5. Don't skip steaming. Just a few minutes, but it completely transforms the finished bag. I steam mine twice, once after finishing the base, and once when the bag is completely done. Always place a cloth between the iron and the yarn to protect it. Those are my 5 favorite tips. Tell me in the comments, which one was most useful for you? If you haven't watched the full clutch tutorial yet, I'll leave the link right here. It's a detailed step-by-step guide where I show the entire process from start to finish. And if you're making your first clutch, that's exactly where to start. Happy crocheting! See you in the next video.